Jimmy, I really like working with you.
It's good.
Yeah, but I consider myself a visual artist first. And so I made some drawings of how I think my character should look.
Those are great. I think we'll totally use those.
Yeah, I think you will too.
You just traced your hand and put a happy face on there, didn't you?
Maybe. I don't want to talk about my process.
Freebirds presents How to Draw Your Own Hand Turkey, featuring Jenny. Difficulty medium. Here's what yours could look like when you're all done. Or make your own changes. Just be sure to have fun. Stick out your thumb and pinky. Trace around it with a pencil so you don't get inky. Connect these two lines to make Jenny whole. Then add eyes, beak, legs, and a necklace to give her some soul. Hit pause if you need more time to draw. After that, you'll need some color. Press pause to color. Then a cool background and a border. Hit pause to catch up. Add your names and a date. Now you're done, and you did great. In theaters November 1st.